Okay, last session we spoke about how to name simple binary compounds. What we're going to do today is we're going to make some of these problems more complicated, using first the cation for potassium, which since potassium is in the first group, it forms a 1+ charge. So this is called the potassium ion. Okay. And then we see what appears to be CO3 2 negative or -2. This collectively is called the carbonate ion. And as you can see, there's one carbon atom and 3 oxygen atoms. Since there's a cluster of different types of atoms, what chemists refer the species as is what's called poly, meaning many, atomic. So carbonate is an example of a polyatomic many-atom ion. And you have to keep in mind that the whole species here, CO3, has a -2 charge. So let's see what happens when K+1, potassium ion, gets together with carbonate. Okay. As mentioned previously, the 1 charge on the potassium cation gets crisscrossed down as a 1 for carbonate. And the 2 negative charge from carbonate gets crisscrossed down as a 2 for potassium. So we stick the 2 together. So what we get in the end here is K2CO3. Okay, and we name it as such. The name of the cation comes first, potassium, and the name of the anion comes second, carbonate. Looked at another way, it takes 2 +1 charged potassium ions to balance out 1 carbonate anion. They want to be electrically neutral.